Okay, what we're going to be doing today is changing out this dryer vent. The Tapcon screws that were put in here are stripped, so we've got to pull them out carefully. There's 4 of them, and then we have to cut the caulk away. And once we're done with that, we'll be able to pull this out and put the new one in. So what we want to do now is put this dryer cap onto the wall using Tapcons. So we get the pipe nice and tight on the inside, let it go against the wall. And now what we're going to do is drill into the concrete and get this thing affixed. Hand tighten these Tapcons because otherwise you'll strip them out once you put them in. So you just want to hand tighten them. That's good enough. And with this dryer cap, what you see is that Tapcon disappears behind the lid. So it's a nice clean installation and it looks really good once it's painted. It has a double door so rodents stay out or birds or anything like that. And it doesn't have a screen, because here's what happens with the screens. This was a screen that I took out of here, and you can see it's just loaded up with lint. This came out of there as well. So use the opportunity to clean out your dryer vent. When this blows out, all of the lint will come out. When there's a flood coming, what we're going to caulk around the edge, I'll show you that. But you do seal and peel around the edge here and across the bottom, because we won't seal that permanently. Seal and peel it, and this thing becomes waterproof. All right, here we go on the last Tapcon into this dryer vent. Remember, hand tighten only. All right, this dryer vent is nice and tight on the wall. What we'll do is we'll come back, we'll caulk around it, and this dryer vent will be ready to go, except if the owner wants to paint it. This is a wonderful dryer vent to keep the water out of your house. It's very easy to waterproof. All right, we're going to caulk this dryer vent now. Very easy to do with this little tube of bare window and trim. It comes out easy and it's easy to manage as opposed to a caulk gun. Put it on a little heavier down here on the side where the stucco meets it, so that no water comes in around the edges. And then just smooth it out. You may have to touch that up a little bit. I do know that the owner is going to paint this, so you want to make sure that you use latex caulk, because that is paintable. If you use silicone, it's not paintable. Make it look good. There we go, a nice dryer vent to keep the water out.